The tornado, which has been described, as Jeremy just said, as a large and violent tornado right there. This is Saline County, south of Salina.
Accumulating snowfall in May has only happened one other time, 1907.
Let's get an update on baby Boomy and the rest of the orangutan family. What's going on with them?
Well, Boomy is almost 4 months old, and as you can tell, he's pretty active.
He's
really
getting
active.
independent. Look at him way up there.
Sometimes he gets high and then he can't quite figure out how to get back down, but Mom is close. She keeps a good eye on him.
Don't go looking for the tornado, Alta Vista. Wives, get the husbands back inside. Let's go down to the basement so you can see the potential that we have in the atmosphere, the potential that we have with this particular thunderstorm. There's old wives' tales about what corner of the basement to be in. Don't worry about being in any particular corner of the basement. Just simply get to a spot in the basement that has as many walls between you and the exterior walls as possible.
All right, folks, we got Drew on the right, Fawn on the left. Go!
We're seeing less and less green, which indicates the rain, and more blue, indicating the snow, and the snow extends all the way back into Colorado, even to Denver, Colorado, and will all be coming right down I-70 as the rain should stay off to our north here in Nebraska and then well off to our west in the high plains of western Kansas and eastern Colorado. So just a stunningly beautiful day today, feeling like the middle of September here in the middle of August. A high of 80 degrees this afternoon. Enjoy. Emporia starting to see some light rain right now. The heavier rain, though, is where these oranges and yellows and reds are from Strong City down to Madison and Greenwood County, right along the turnpike between Emporia and Wichita. Some very heavy rain. So if you're commuting along the turnpike this morning, expect to encounter some torrential rains. A weekend that you would expect to find more in July or August is on the way. I'll have your full forecast next on 13 News this morning. It is 5:09. More importantly, it is Friday. You do kind of have to lean back and... Do we match, Amanda?
Oh, I dropped my pen.
Pick it up.
Can you pick that up for me? Like a gentleman would?
Are you guys having fun doing so? Oh, you guys got one. They just got one right there. Bring it in. Bring it in, Mom. Come on. Oh, it looks like it's a bass. Oh, look at that. You girls want to hold that fish? Go ahead and hold it. Grab onto it. Good job. What do you think of that?
Good.
We were even over 7 inches below average in Emporia. Well, since then, in what is typically one of the driest times of the year, in late July and early August, we've seen an extremely active weather pattern. And now look at this. After the rain yesterday, Topeka is officially above average for rainfall. A beautiful weekend. Saturday, sunny, a high of 84 degrees. With all the rain recently, the grass is growing quick. I think a lot of folks are going to be firing up the lawnmower this weekend, and a good weekend to do so. Good morning. Welcome back to 13 News this morning. It is 5:40 on this Wednesday, and yesterday was the 8th straight day with high temperatures in the 90s. Today will be day number 9 in the 90s, and will likely continue this streak straight on into the weekend. However, relief is on the way. Maybe some rain and cooler temperatures by the Labor Day holiday. Yesterday, officially a high of 96 degrees in Topeka. This morning, it is a calm but warm morning. This is our Capitol Federal Sky Cam looking over Topeka, and we will see a lot of sunshine again today, currently sitting right at 70 in the capital city. And everyone starting in the upper 60s and low 70s this morning. We have 67 degrees in Emporia, currently 70 in Manhattan. It's a warm start to the day, and so with lots of sunshine, again, temperatures will heat up quickly. We have this big clockwise rotation in the upper level of the atmosphere, indicating a strong high pressure center sitting right on top of us. And this particular weather pattern is oftentimes referred to as the ring of fire because all the shower and thunderstorm activity rotates around the outside, and then in the middle where we are, just a lot of sunny, hot, dry weather. And it looks like this weather pattern will hold for the rest of the week and into at least the first half of the holiday weekend, but we do have some relief in sight in the extended forecast. So your forecast for this Wednesday, the heat streak continues. Day number 9 in the 90s, a high of 95. Tonight, will drop down to 73 degrees, another muggy night. And then for your Thursday, temperatures actually heat up a little bit Thursday and Friday. A high of 98 degrees on Thursday, and on Friday we make it to 99. That will be the hottest day of the week. Friday also is the home opener for K-State, and we are going to see a very hot game day. Not only a high of 99, but the temperature at kickoff at 7:30 will still be 91 degrees, and then eventually dropping into the low 80s by the end of the game. The heat will continue Saturday and Sunday. However, Monday for Labor Day, a chance of some scattered storms and a high of 92. And then look at a week from today, next Wednesday, highs in the 80s. So next week, not looking nearly as hot.